This video is going to show you how to use the hand crank generator to generate electricity. You'll need some equipment that's in the STELR Renewable Energy Kit. You'll need this STELR testing station, the red and black wires, the STELR wind generator. All of these are in the student kit, and you'll need the hand cranked generator base, which is in the teacher kit. The hand cranked generator base has in it an adapter that we use. So the first step is to take the adapter from here and place it into the geared turbines slot of the wind generator and push it in really hard. Then you need to slot the wind generator into the stand. So this section has to line up with the wheel here. So we slot it in like this and then use this rubber band to hold it in place. The next step is to take the rubber band that is around this wheel and move it over to here. So they need to be lined up well. Then we can see that there's some sockets here at the back of the generator, so we plug those in. It doesn't matter which way because it just negative and positive depend on the way you turn the wheel. And then we attach the other end to the lamp in the testing station like this. Now I'm going to crank the handle here and the light will light up.